Welcome friends, you are on Trade Trio YouTube channel. This is Taha presenting. We are in episode 15 of top 5 Forex setups. What an amazing last week. We made huge profit this last week, and this has been the most successful week in 2022. So let's just quickly review, and if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. And if you made profit last week from our signals, then do let us know in the comment section. Let's just quickly review it. The first which I shared is USDCHF, and buy on breakout was suggested. Let me show you how it went. You see the breakout immediately, and then look at that. On Thursday we hit our TP, which was of 100 pips. The next which I shared is Australian USD, and sale on strength was suggested with mentioned level where you can short sale, and let's see how it went. You see this is the area where you need to short sale it, and this is our TP level, and you see it just went through it. The next which I shared is pound New Zealand, and buy on breakout or buy on dip was suggested with the levels. You see here I mentioned that you can buy it on either breakout or buy on dip. So it didn't give a breakout, but it did give a dip, so we made 170 pips profit. Let's see how it went. You see this is the level where you need to buy on 20th April, and boom, profit on 21st April. The next which I shared is New Zealand CAD, and sale on strength was suggested with the strength level is also suggested where you need to short sale, and this profit taking level of 0.786 Fibonacci numbers. Let me play. You see it, you hit our profit level on 21st April. So 80 pips from this pair. And the last one, which is the best one, USDJPY, and we were expecting it it will test the all-time high, and let's see how it went. Boom. On third day of the week, 19th April, we hit RTP, and it was more than 300 pips. So in combined we have more than 800 pips. I hope you made good profit in the last week. Now let's just quickly review top 5 Forex setups of this week. The first one is pound New Zealand, and this is the continuation of last week. You see it made a good bounce from our mentioned support of 23.6 Fibonacci number, and it did attempt to break above this horizontal level on the last day of this session. So still buy on breakout is still valid, and if you are carrying this trade from the last week, then continue your position from the last week and book your profit on the upside till this 50% of Fibonacci. The next one is pound USD. Well, pound USD has been in serious bearish pressure, and you see this broadening wedge, and the price is approaching to this support of this broadening wedge. So we are expecting a bounce, and a bounce from this support zone which has been reactive in the past, you see. So we are expecting a bounce, and a bounce from this level to this 1.29970 level. The next one is Australian CHF. Well, Australian CHF is has been in a distribution phase, and if you remember from our past videos that I gave a buy call on this breakout level, and if you buy it, and you must have sold it on the top level. So for more than 2 weeks the price has been in this range, and you see price is making this resistance, and this is the top range, and then again it tests the support level, and then it bounce back, and once again price is approaching to the support level. So this is the important support level for this pair, and if it gave a bounce, don't buy it, because this will be the distribution. We have a sale on breakout in this pair biased, and you need to sell it once it clear this horizontal level. The last one is Australian CAD, and Australian CAD has been bullish. And if you remember from our last week review that I asked you to wait and hold this pair, because it has a good upside potential, and you see a good bounce from these two candles. So now we are expecting more upside from this pair, but not straight upside from this pair. We are expecting a little bit of correction till this rising trend line, which has been reactive in the past, and this horizontal level will be a good confluence point as well. So if this pair give a dip at least to this trend line support or horizontal level and give a good bullish candle, then you can attempt to buy it and sell on the upside. Well, these are the top 5 forex setups of this week. No, I think I missed one. Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie, in this pair we have a buy on breakout, and let me show you. The pair is making good higher highs and higher lows, and this will be the new high. So this is the important horizontal level which has been reactive in the recent past. So wait for this level to be clear out, and then attempt to buy it once price close above it. And then your profit taking level should be first is this level, and then if this level hit, you can again attempt to buy it on the dip, and your next target is 1.81950. Well, these are the top 5 forex setups of this week. I hope you make good profit in this week also. Please subscribe the YouTube channel and take care of yourself.